टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. बिफोर गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, फ्रैक्शन क्या था हम एक बार रिवाइज करते हैं. फ्रैक्शन मीन्स डिवाइड इन equal part in the form of numerator divided by denominator. D is represent equal part we make from whole and the numerator represent equal part we take. Let's move toward types of this. First type is proper fraction and the next one is improper fraction. Let me see this from the example one by one. Let's suppose I divide the candy into 4 equal parts in which I eat one part from this. So, I make 4 equal parts of the candy and I take one part from this. In this case, denominator is bigger than the numerator. Denominator is bigger than the numerator. So this kind of fraction is known as a proper fraction. Here further I divide one candy into 4 equal half. So in the place of denominator we write 4. But I ate 5 parts of the candy. How many parts of the candy we ate? 5 parts. We clearly see denominator is smaller than the numerator or numerator is bigger than the denominator here. That is mean in improper fraction numerator is always greater than the denominator. From where this fifth part came from? This fifth part we take it from second candy. That is mean I use 2 candy and I divide this both candy into 4 equal half. That's mean I ate one whole candy and the 1/4 part of the other candy. So here I ate one whole candy and 1/4 part of the other candy. So this kind of fraction is known as a mixed fraction, in which we clearly see whole number with a proper fraction. That is mean the improper fraction and mixed fraction both are interlinked. We clearly see that when the mixed fraction questions are there, so we see one whole number with a proper fraction. And when we convert it this mixed fraction, so we get the answer in the form of improper fraction. So what we see that? We see that the type of fraction in which proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. In proper fraction, denominator is always greater than the numerator. In improper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. And in mixed fraction, we see 2 parts in which whole plus proper fraction will be there. And we see this mixed fraction and improper fractions are interlinked. The second point of all the fractions are, for the proper fraction, the part we taken is less than 1 whole. Is less than 1 whole. Therefore, the answer of the proper fraction we get always less than 1. Less than 1. In improper fraction, part we take is more than 1 whole and the answer is always greater than 1. Here we done the types of fraction.